Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you where you need to go to view your form submissions. Your form submissions can be accessed in a few different places. You can access the submissions of a form in the form management page by clicking on the three horizontal dots all the way to the right, and once you click on those three horizontal dots, a little pop-up will appear and you'll see the option of submissions. After clicking on the submissions option, you will get taken to the submissions page for that specific form. In this example, you get taken to the Contact Us form submissions page. On this page, it shows a breakdown of all the submissions that I have received for that form. Another way to access all of your submissions is to go to your left side navigation under the Reports tab and click on Daily Form Submission Report. The Daily Form Submission Report will show you a breakdown of the submissions that you have received for this day. You can also see your total submissions by clicking on the highlighted number under the Total Submissions column in the grid below. Once you click on that highlighted number, it will take you to your submissions page. There you'll get the overview of all of your submissions. Thank you very much for watching, and you now know where and how to view your form submissions.